In today's video, we're going to dive into how to list and sell products on TikTok Shop, even if you're a total beginner. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and if you've been scrolling TikTok lately, you've probably seen that little shopping bag icon pop up in the videos. That is TikTok Shop. It is quickly becoming one of the most exciting ways to sell products online because it lets you reach people where they are already spending time, and it makes buying incredibly easy. The best part is that TikTok Shop is not just for big brands. Small businesses, creators, and even drop shippers are using it to build new income streams. So today, I'm going to break down exactly how TikTok Shop works, how to get started, and some practical steps to get your first product listed. Let's get into it. So first off, what is TikTok Shop? TikTok Shop is TikTok's built-in e-commerce platform. It allows you to sell products directly inside the TikTok app without sending people off to a separate website. Here's how it works in simple terms. You apply to become a TikTok Shop seller, you upload your products into TikTok system, and then you can tag those products in your videos or even run live shopping events. When someone sees your video, they can tap the shopping bag icon, view your product, and check out without leaving TikTok. So why is this so powerful? Because TikTok already has one of the most engaged audiences in the world. People aren't just scrolling passively, they're interacting, commenting, and buying into trends. TikTok Shop takes that attention and connects it directly to purchase behavior. Now, why TikTok Shop matters? For businesses and creators, TikTok Shop opens up opportunities in three big ways. First, it removes friction. Normally, you would have to push viewers to click a link in your bio, leave the app, load a website, and go through checkout. With TikTok Shop, everything happens inside the app, which means fewer drop-offs and more completed purchases. Second, it helps you ride trends. TikTok moves fast, and products can go viral overnight. TikTok Shop allows you to link your product directly to trending content. So when people are excited, they can buy instantly. And third, TikTok is actively promoting TikTok Shop. That means the algorithm is often generous to sellers, pushing shoppable content higher because TikTok wants this feature to succeed. Early adopters definitely will have an advantage here. Okay, now let's go step by step on how to set up and list products. So step number one is to apply for a TikTok Shop Seller Center. You'll start by clicking the link down in the description below and getting signed up with your TikTok account. TikTok will ask some business details, including your name, address, and identification. If you are a registered business, you can provide your actual business license. If you're a solo creator, you can set up as an individual seller. So to get signed up, like I said, you'll click that link and then you'll want to enter in your email and phone number. Then make sure you have your email open because you will need to type in the code. Go ahead and click continue. So now let's go ahead and answer a few questions. So we'll go ahead and say seller, click next. So you can decide if you're an individual, sole proprietor, corporation, or partnership. So then from here, you will enter in your identification and then submit your application. Step number two is to set up your store profile. So inside the Seller Center, you'll create your store name, upload a logo, and make sure your information matches what's on your ID or business documents. This is very important because TikTok verifies everything before approving. Step number three is to add your product. So you will just click add product, upload a clear product image, write a title, and fill in the details like category, description, price, and stock. The more accurate and descriptive you are, the better TikTok can actually recommend your products to the right shoppers. Step number four is to set up your shipping information. So TikTok requires you to specify how you will ship products, including handling time and carriers. So make sure you set realistic shipping times so buyers know what to expect. Step number five is to submit review. So TikTok checks all new products to make sure they meet the guidelines. Once approved, your products go live and can be tagged in your videos. How to sell on TikTok Shop once your products are listed. Listing your products is just the first step. The real magic happens when you connect your TikTok content to your products. You can tag your products in your short form TikToks. For example, if you post a video using your product, you can add a product link so viewers can see a little shopping bag icon right on the video. This is very powerful because people who are already interested can buy in one tap. You can also run live shopping events. So during a live, you can showcase products, answer questions, and pin items on screen so viewers can buy while they watch. Live shopping has been huge in other countries, and TikTok is pushing it hard in the US. Another option is to collaborate with TikTok creators. So TikTok Shop allows you to make your products available for affiliates. That means influencers can promote your product in their videos and they earn a commission on each sale. This is such a great way to scale quickly if you don't have a large audience audience yourself. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons of TikTok Shop. One of the biggest pros is that TikTok keeps buyers inside the app. People can see a product in a video, tap the shopping bag icon, and check out in seconds without being redirected to another site. That makes conversion rates so much higher compared to the usual link in bio process. Another major benefit is how well TikTok Shop ties into trends. Products can go viral overnight, and when people are excited, they can buy instantly without leaving TikTok. TikTok also handles checkouts and payments, which builds trust. Customers feel safer buying inside the app, even from small or new brands. And finally, TikTok is promoting this feature heavily. That means shoppable posts and live shopping events often get an algorithm boost, giving you more exposure than a standard post would. Now for the cons. The biggest drawback is the commission TikTok takes on every sale. It reduces your profit margin, so you need to price your products carefully. Another challenge is shipping. Customers expect fast delivery, and if your fulfillment is slow or inconsistent, TikTok can actually penalize your account. TikTok Shop is also still very new, which means rules and features are changing often. Sellers do have to be flexible and ready to adapt. And finally, success requires effort. You can't just list products and wait. To stand out, you need good content, and if you're not comfortable making TikToks or going live, it can be harder to get traction. Now, is TikTok Shop for you? And should you start selling on it now? If you already create content on TikTok or have a product that's visually appealing and works well in short videos, the answer is absolutely yes. It's one of the fastest ways to turn attention into revenue right now. And if you're not comfortable making TikToks yet, you can still list your products and work with affiliates while you build up your own content. The important thing is to get your store set up early, because being an early adopter gives you an edge in TikTok's algorithm. If you're ready to set up your TikTok shop and get products listed, use our exclusive link down in the description below. Lastly, I just wanted to touch on some tips for success on TikTok Shop. There are a few strategies that can help you get results faster. Make sure your product photos and videos are high quality. TikTok is a visual platform, so presentation definitely matters. Keep your descriptions clear and keyword friendly so TikTok knows when to recommend your products. Promote your shop with consistent TikTok posts that show your products in use. Try at least one live shopping event to see how your audience responds. And lastly, consider opening your products to affiliates, because that can put you in front of a much larger audience. Before we wrap this up, I just want to remind you that selling online can feel very overwhelming at first. There are always new tools, new platforms, and new strategies to learn. And TikTok Shop is still young, which means the opportunity is wide open. If you start now, you're ahead of most people, and you can grow alongside the platform as it develops. Again, the link is down below. That's where you can get approved and set up your store and start listing products ASAP. That wraps up this video. This channel is dedicated to helping you build smarter e-commerce stores and showing you the best tools to grow online. If that sounds helpful, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.